Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 408 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps. Alright, so first of all we have to enter the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got 3 buttons navigation, just tap on the button with a square icon, and if you've got the gestures, just swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here. After releasing, you can see that here we've got the recents. And basically, it depends. Whenever you want to close, for example, only one of those apps, just find it and swipe it up. But if you've got a lot of apps opened, simply tap on this kind of sweep icon. Just tap on it. We've got the information that the memory has been cleared. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.